Hello friends, today we got a new product for unboxing. So we got this from Daily Days. You would have seen it in thumbnail what product it is. Actually, I have a machine which is water bike washer, which is remote. I got this because of the cordless, and this cost around 1650 comparatively lesser than any other person in Chennai who is selling it. Probably this cost 2500 rupees in the regular market, but this wholesale price is 1650. But if you get it in online, probably it will be 100 or 200 extra due to courier charges. So let me unbox this and check it out how the product is. So in terms of pressure of this water washer is comparatively less. I have seen the demo, so comparatively less, so you can't expect the same kind of an output which you have it in electric. So battery powered is battery powered, cordless is cordless, and non cordless has a more efficient functions. Okay, this is the box which we have received. Not bad, I would say. As common bubble wrap, you have the box. Nothing else in this box. Okay. Not too much of solid, it is light plastic. Box is light plastic. You can see it with the touch. Okay, this is what you get it in your portable machine. So this is what you get in portable car washer or bike washer, whatever it is. So 48 watts power. So okay, all are plastic material, complete plastic. You have a battery, you have a filter, you have a knob. Okay, this rod is bit small. Okay, I basically got this machine to clean the AC outlet, and all these materials are very low quality material, these plastics. So if you could see it, that is why it cost less. You get a charger. This should probably be a decent length, and you have a gun. will try to make a video on demo.